Hey everyone! Today, I'm bringing you the ultimate guide to free alternatives for Adobe Creative Cloud programs. Whether you're a professional designer, video editor, photographer, or animator, I've got you covered with tools that'll help you create professional quality work without spending a dime. We're talking about some seriously powerful free software that can rival Adobe's expensive suite. Before we begin, I'd like to share something exclusive with you. I've created a free AI tools guide filled with the latest free AI tools that can help you replace expensive software and get more done. To get your copy, just sign up for my email list using the link in the description below, and I'll send it straight to your inbox. Don't miss out on this exclusive resource. All right, let's jump right into it, starting with photo editing. So if you're tired of Photoshop's monthly subscription, let me introduce you to GIMP. This is one of the most powerful free photo editors available. It's open source, which means a community of developers constantly improves it, and it has everything you need. Layers, advanced brushes, tons of plugins, and here's the kicker, it even opens PSD files. Plus, it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, so no matter what system you're on, you're covered. Now, if you're someone who prefers working in your browser without downloading anything, Photopea is going to blow your mind. It literally looks and feels like Photoshop, but it runs entirely in your web browser. You can simply bookmark it and start editing photos instantly. It's that easy. Moving into vector graphics. When it comes to creating logos, illustrations, or any vector work, Inkscape is your go-to Illustrator replacement. What I love about Inkscape is how it handles SVG files natively. That's the web standard for vector graphics. The path tools are incredibly powerful, and there's a whole ecosystem of extensions that expand what you can do. Whether you're designing for print or web, this tool has got you covered across all operating systems. Now, let's talk video editing. Here's where things get really exciting. DaVinci Resolve is absolutely mind-blowing for a free tool. We're talking professional Hollywood-level video editing here. The color grading capabilities alone would cost you thousands in other software, but it's all included for free. You've got advanced editing tools, audio mixing, and even visual effects all in one package. If you're more into visual effects and motion graphics, HitFilm Express is an excellent choice. It's designed to be beginner-friendly, but don't let that fool you. It's packed with professional features like motion tracking and 3D compositing that you'd typically find in much more expensive software. For those who love open-source solutions, both Kdenlive and Shotcut are excellent choices. They're timeline-based editors that strike the perfect balance between simplicity and power, making them great for both beginners and experienced editors. For motion graphics and animation. Now, when we talk about After Effects alternatives, Blender is absolutely incredible. Yes, it has a learning curve. I won't sugarcoat that. But once you get the hang of it, you'll have access to professional 3D animation, compositing, and motion graphics tools that rival anything Adobe offers. The community around Blender is impressive too, with tons of tutorials and resources. If you're focused more on 2D motion design and want something more approachable, Cavalry is this modern, sleek tool that's much more user-friendly than Blender, while still being incredibly powerful. And for those who work with node-based compositing, you know, the really technical VFX stuff, Natron is your open-source solution that handles complex visual effects like a champ. Photo organization and raw processing. Moving on to photo management, if you're currently paying for Lightroom, Darktable is going to save you so much money. It's designed specifically for photographers who shoot in RAW, offers completely non-destructive editing, and has batch processing capabilities that'll speed up your workflow dramatically. Raw Therapy is another powerhouse for RAW processing, especially if you need advanced color correction and noise reduction. The level of control you get over your images is honestly impressive. Desktop publishing made easy. For layout and publishing work, Scribus is a viable alternative to InDesign. It handles everything you need for professional publishing: CMYK color, scripting, and professional PDF export. Perfect for creating brochures, books, magazines, you name it. But let's be real, sometimes you just need something quick and simple. That's where Canva comes in. The free tier gives you access to tons of templates for social media graphics, simple layouts, and basic design work. It's browser-based so that you can work from anywhere. UI/UX design tools for interface design, Figma has completely revolutionized the game. The free tier is incredibly generous, allowing for collaborative wireframing, prototyping, and vector design. Since it's browser-based, you can work from literally anywhere and collaborate with your team in real time. It's honestly changed how I work with clients. If you prefer working offline, Lunacy is a lightweight, fast UI/UX tool with built-in design assets that make your workflow so much smoother. For teams that want complete control, Penpot is an open-source alternative that you can even host yourself, making it ideal for larger organizations with specific security requirements. Audio editing solutions. When it comes to audio, Audacity is the classic choice that's been around forever and just keeps getting better. It's perfect for recording podcasts, editing music, or any other audio work. The plugin support means you can expand its capabilities endlessly. If you're looking for something more modern and streamlined, Awesome Audio is fantastic. It's lightweight, user-friendly, and includes spectral analysis and VST plugin support. Great for quick edits and basic mastering tasks. Animation and beyond. For 2D animation, OpenToonz is absolutely incredible. And get this, Studio Ghibli actually uses it. You're getting professional animation tools with frame-by-frame animation, rigging, and effects capabilities that rival expensive animation software. Handling PDFs. PDF Exchange Editor is your free Acrobat alternative that lets you annotate, edit, and manage PDFs with more features than most paid alternatives. WPS PDF Free is another solid option that covers most PDF tasks you'll need. Web development. For web design and coding, Visual Studio Code is hands down one of the best code editors ever created. It's free, incredibly powerful, and with live server plugins, you can code and preview your websites in real time. 3D texturing. Armor Paint is your free alternative to Substance Painter for 3D texturing and modeling. You can paint directly on 3D models, and it supports PBR workflows, making it perfect for game development and animation work. Asset Management Digicam is an excellent tool for managing extensive collections of photos and digital assets. It helps you organize, tag, and edit extensive image libraries, making it a great alternative to Bridge. Video Encoding Handbrake is the go-to free tool for video compression and format conversion. Whether you need to compress videos for web upload or convert between different formats, it handles everything beautifully. Social media graphics. Finally, Designer is a browser-based tool that's similar to Canva, but offers even more customization in its free tier. It's perfect for creating social media graphics and marketing materials. And there you have it. 15 incredible free alternatives to Adobe Creative Cloud. These tools are genuinely powerful and can help you create professional quality work without breaking the bank. If this guide has helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these excellent free tools. You'll literally be helping them save hundreds or even thousands of dollars while still getting professional results. Don't forget to grab our free AI tools guide from the link in the description. It's packed with game-changing AI tools that can supercharge your creative workflow and replace even more expensive software. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. Make sure to check out our next video where we dive deeper into the top free video editors. It's going to take your content creation to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.